Hi, I'm Helen at Bliss Beauty Therapy in Keyworth, Nottingham, and today we're going to be talking about skin treats. So this is part 4 of the Katherine Daniels skincare programme. So with your skin treats, these are products that you can use either once a week or bi-weekly, and they just give your skin a real intensive boost and sort of give it the real surge that it sometimes needs, especially if you're missing out on getting into the salon for treatments at the moment. So the skin treats are really good. The first product that I'm going to be talking to you about today is the Repairing Nourishing mask. This mask is beautiful to use. It's anti-aging, but it's also fantastic for dry skins as well. It's got your avocado oil and it's got your shea butter in it as well. So it's really going to nourish and hydrate the skin. You can use this in 2 ways. You can use it, apply it in a thin layer, leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then remove it with your Katherine Daniels microcloths, tone, and then put your serum and your treatment cream on the top. The way that I actually use it is I put it on after I've exfoliated my skin. I put it on in quite a thick layer and I leave it on for about 10 minutes. After that time, I rub the excess product into the skin and I leave it on as an overnight treatment. It absolutely makes your skin feel beautiful in the morning. It really cocoons it and gives it that real moisture surge that sometimes your skin needs. And you sort of just, because it just soaks into the skin, it's just so comfortable on the skin. And then in the morning, you would just rinse it off, cleanse it off as normal, and then you would put your treatment boost and treatment cream on the top. So this is your Repairing Nourishing mask, which is one of my real favorite treatments. The next product we're going to talk about is your Smoothing Resurfacing mask. So this deep cleanses the skin, it refines the pores, and that's thanks to the 3 clays in it. So it's got your green clay, which purifies, it's got your white clay, which soothes, and your red clay, which is deep cleansing. And it's also got aloe vera, which is antiviral, antibacterial, and hydrating as well. So whilst this is really good for oily, congested, problematic skins, it's great to it really takes that inflammation out of the skin, especially if you've got like red, angry pustules and spots on the skin. It really helps to calm it down. But it can also be used as like a pre-party mask. So it can be used prior to going out to really illuminate and radiate the skin and brighten it up. Perfect for if you've got a party and you want your makeup to go on flawlessly. This is a fantastic product for that. What you would do is you would put it on, you would leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then the key with this product, because it's got clays in it, it does dry quite hard. And if you just try and get it off, you won't get it off quite so easily. So the key to get it off is to emulsify it with your fingertips. So dip your fingertips in water, massage them over the skin, and then take it off with your microcloth, and you'll find it will come off a whole lot easier. Once you've removed it, you would then tone and then follow with your treatment cream. This is a fantastic brightening, rejuvenating mask, as well as a great mask for oily and problem skin. The final product that I'm going to show you are these. Now, these are our Instant Effect Eye Masks. And if you visited us in salon and you've had a manicure or pedicure with us, probably you would have had one of these Instant Eye Masks because they are fantastic. So I'll show you what they look like. They come in a pack of 4 in a box, so you get 4 packs of these. There's a pair of eye masks in each packet. This is your mineralized sea kelp, so it's going to help to hydrate the eye area, and this is your hyaluronic acid. The way it works is you pop this into here. You have to be quite firm. You give it a shake, and then you let these hydrate for about a minute or so, just to hydrate the mineralized sea kelp. Then you put them on, so you can see the shape of them here. So you can see that that bit goes under your nose and then it goes over under the eye area here. Once you've saturated them with the hyaluronic acid, you leave these on for at least 20 minutes. They stay active for over an hour. So what you can do, and what we sometimes do in salon, is after 20 minutes, we flip them up and we put them on the client's top lid as well. They don't slip, slide, move once they're on. So once they're on, you can walk around the house with them on. When we've done them in salon, we've had clients even leave the salon with them on because they don't move. They've driven home with them on. They're really, really good. What these do, so they've got the hyaluronic acid in, they've got the mineralized sea kelp. You can really see a difference when you take them off. So They increase, they revitalise the skin by 85%, they plump the skin by 80%, and they reduce wrinkles by 70%. So that's pretty good claims on these, and they really do work. They really refresh the eye area. You can use them just as and when if your eyes feel tired, or you want just to freshen the eye area up a bit, or if you want to use them as an intensive treatment, you would use them twice a week. The effects from these will remain so long as the eye area is kept hydrated. So long as you're using your multitasking eye balm, then the results from these will stay. Brilliant if you've got a bit of eye strain or your eyes are tired as well. Perfect product. So I cannot recommend these enough. And these are your instant effect eye masks. So that takes us to the end of our steps of our Katherine Daniels skincare program. I hope you found it all really informative and helpful. If you have any questions about anything that I've talked about in any of the videos, don't hesitate to message me, comment below, or send me an email at contact@yourblissbeauty.co.uk. Thanks for watching.